Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to do a French braid the easiest way possible. Perfect for beginners step by step. Let's get started. Start by taking a small section of hair from the top of your head extending from your temples to the back. Now split it into 3 strands, left, middle and right. Hold 2 in your right hand, 1 in your left. Cross the right strand over the middle. Cross the left strand over the middle. Now repeat. Cross the right strand over again and hold all the strands in your left hand. This frees up your right hand, making it easier to add hair. Pick up a horizontal section from the right side and add it to the middle strand. Now for the left side. Cross the left strand over into the middle. Hold all the strands in your right hand. Pick up a section from the left side and add it to the middle strand. Now let's keep the rhythm going. Right side, cross over. Hold the strands in your left hand. Add hair. Left side, cross over. Hold the strands in your right hand. Add hair. Keep your sections even and maintain steady tension for neat, polished braid. Just repeat the pattern all the way down. Right, cross over. Hold. Add hair. Left, cross over. Hold. Add hair. Keep going until you reach the nape of your neck and there's no more hair to add. Once you reach the bottom, continue with a regular 3-strand braid all the way down and tie it off at the end. For a softer, fuller look, gently pull on the side of the braid to loosen it up. And that's it, a classic effortless French braid. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you tried this braid and how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.